I'm passionate about technology innovation in the healthcare and education sector. I'm the founder of iMed Tech Group, which does medical prosthetics. I want to lead South Africa's prosthetic industry. Health is critical to nation building. Medical products that are easily accessible to the public, I think is something that inspired me within the applications of 3D printing in the medical sector. When a patient has had a mastectomy, we look at doing medical prosthetics, particularly the breast prosthesis. Then we create the 3D model of the new breast and then cast silicone inside. The journey has been a bit challenging because in South Africa, even the idea of breast prosthesis is not known at all. Seeing a person get a breast prosthesis for the first time is really amazing because to them it's more like they have a brand new life. The project that I'm busy on is 1,000 breast prosthetics for 1,000 women around South Africa who cannot afford our products at all. It makes me feel proud because every single one of us, we are called to make an impact in society. And this is my act of service to the development of my country.